The injector fitting is shown with the rocker shaft removed as part of a complete engine reassembly. Where possible, do not remove the rocker shaft. Install new injector washers and new injector seals. Push the injector fully down by pushing on the clamp and the outlet as shown. Do not push on the solenoid. Fit a new set screw, loosely at the moment. Fit the injector connectors and torque correctly. The fuel rail should be fitted loosely as shown. Remove the injector cap before fitting a new sleeve. Do not remove the protective caps until just before the pipe is fitted. Once the pipes are fitted and torqued, the injector can be torqued. Then the fuel rail. Fit new injector pipe clips, making sure they're positioned correctly. Ensure all the push rods locate correctly in the rockers. Tighten down the rocker shaft evenly. Valve lash clearance should be measured below the elephant's foot as shown. Refit the valve mechanism cover with a new gasket and torque in a correct sequence.